Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain about the background attribute of the body tag in HTML document. For more updates and video tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Alright, let's start. So before we write a program here, first we have to understand what is the background attribute. So the background attribute of the body tag is used to set an image as the background of an HTML document. So the value of this attribute is the part of the image file or the location of the file to be used. Suppose if there is any change in the location of the image file, then the web page does not show the image. That means you have to know exactly where you have saved your image file, okay? And then we have to know the complete address of that image file. All right, so let's try to understand the program. So I have already created a structure here. All right, so in the structure of the HTML, we already know that all the HTML document must begin with the opening HTML tag and end with closing HTML tag. Right, so this is a container tag. Why? Because it has both the opening and the closing tag. So this tag indicates to the web browser that it is an HTML document. So next lines come the heads. So already here, we already know that the head section contains information about the HTML document. So the tag and text in this section do not directly show on the web page. All right. So next comes the title. So the title of the web page here, I'm writing background attribute. Okay, so opening title should have its closing title, and this title tag should reside within the opening and the closing head section. All right, so now comes the body. That means the main part. So here the body of the web page, since I'm using the background attribute, so all the attributes and the values should be included in the opening body tag, not in the closing. All right, so here we have given here the body element here. This is the name, this is the element name, and then background is the attribute. All right, background is the attribute. So the value of the background here, we have to select the location of the image. That means the address of the image. All right, so here what we'll do, I have already saved one folder here which contains all the image. Okay, so what you do here, you select any image you like. Suppose if I like this image here, okay, do not copy directly, but we will select the location. All right, we will select the location of the image. So go to properties, right? Again, right click and then go to properties. Okay, now you select this location here. You see this location, you select this location here and then copy this image. Okay, copy this image. As soon as you finish to copy this image, okay, so we'll paste here in the value section. Control V, okay, shortcut. So here we see that I didn't copy the image directly, but I have copied the address of the image or the part of the image. Now this image is still incomplete. So what is the name of the image here that I want to copy? I want to copy this penguins. Okay, and then I should also mention the extension. So same thing here, I will separate with this. Okay, bending slash here, and then you complete the image name, penguins, and then dot extension JPG. All right, so after we have finished to give all the part or the location of the image file here, okay, then you can add some contents or information here. So here also in the contents you can write anything. So here I just write the function of the background attribute here. All right, and then after you have included all the attributes and the value, then the contents and information, then we'll close the body with the closing tag. Okay, and then close the HTML. All right, so now what we'll do here, we have to save this HTML document here. So to save the HTML document, go to File, Save As. All right, then you select a location where you want to save your file. So I will select desktop. Okay, and then give a suitable name to your HTML document. So here I will write background, okay, and the extension of the html.html. All right. Now click on save. Okay. So after you have saved your HTML document, so I'll just minimize this image. Okay. So you see here it appear on the desktop. So double click on this, and then you will see here. You see here that the background of the web page here, okay, we have applied a penguin, the image of a penguin. So you see here the picture of penguin, and this is the contents or the information that I want to show on the web page. Background attribute of the body tag is used to set an image as the background of an HTML document. So you can apply any writing here, any content, any information. Suppose you want to write something about penguins, or you want to write something about other images, you can simply write down here, just below the opening body tag. You can simply write here. Okay, suppose now I want to change the image. Okay, I want to change the image. I don't have to copy the whole line again, the whole complete address again. So I'll just select a picture here. Suppose now I want to change it to tulips. Okay, suppose now I want to change to tulips because the complete address is the same. Simply just change the name here, tulips. Okay, tulips, and then same extension .jpg. All right. After you have made changes, don't forget to save. Click on File, Save, and then you refresh the web page. You see here, as soon as you refresh the web page, you will see that the background or the image of this web page has changed from the penguins to the tulips. So in this way, okay, you can change, you can set the background image. That means you want to set the image here. Okay, you can choose any image you like, but don't forget to give its extension. Okay, its extension here. Okay, it can be .jpg, it can be .gif, it can be anything. All right. So I hope you are clear with this tutorial. So friends, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon. So you will see more video tutorial coming on HTML. Thank you.